this is Barrett at CorkSport. Today I want to introduce you to the 2014 to 2016 Mazda 3 Performance Steering Wheel. When we designed the Mazda 3 Performance Steering Wheel, we had three goals in mind: performance, style, and fitment. Performance comes in the racing-inspired grip mold, really lets you hold onto the wheel, take control of the thumb paddles, and have the flat bottom for improved clearance. Style comes in with the genuine leather, classy red stitching, and of course just the overall look just really adds a racing-inspired feel to the car. And then lastly, and most important, is fitment. 100% of your controls and airbag fit like OE, so there's no compromises.